We will be studying how to calculate the median in case of individual series. Now see, first and the most important thing is arrange the series in ascending or descending order. Right? Then the series either can be odd or the series can be even. See, if the series are odd, it's very simple to calculate. N plus one term divided by 2 is your median, which means let's suppose you are given 11 items in the series. So 11 plus 1 divided by 2 is 12 divided by 2, which gives you 6. The sixth term in the series is your median. But when it's given even, it is very difficult to find out the middle value, which divides the series into the two equal parts. In that case, what you do? You calculate the median, that is m, using the n by 2th item plus n divided by 2 plus 1 item divide by 2. So in this case, let's suppose you are given 8 items. So first you will find out n by 2, which means 8 by 2 is 4th. So you will find out the 4th item in the series. Then what you will do, n divided by 2 plus 1, the 4 plus 1, which is 5th item you will see in the series. So what you will do, you will take the 4th and the 5th item, you will add them and you will divide by 2, you will get your median. But first and the foremost thing is you have to arrange the series into the ascending as well as the descending order. So you can do either of it. Either you can do it in the ascending order or you can do it in the descending order. Now this is the question. You are given the individual series and the number of students are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So your n is 11. First of all, what you will do, you will arrange the series in ascending or descending order. So I am arranging it in the ascending order, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are the serial numbers, and let's put the series in the form of serial number. The first number that comes is the smallest number, that is 10, then 11, then 15, then 17, then 20, then 21, then 32, then again it's 32, 33, 35 and 41. Now you have to find out the median value, which is n plus 1 divided by 2 in case of odd series. So your n is 11 plus 1 divided by 2 is your 12 divided by 2, it's the 6th item. So the 6th item is 21, right? So your median value is 21 marks, which divides the series into two equal parts. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your median value is 21 marks. This is the other question of the median. Weight of 8 students in cages is noted as, these are the weights, find the median weight. So first of all, what you will do, you will have the serial numbers. So how many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 students. So weights we have to do it in the ascending order. Let's write down the weights in the ascending order. So number 1 weight that will come is 64, then 68, then 70, 71, 72, 73, 75 and 76. When it's your even series, what you do, you have this formula, that is n divided by 2th item plus n divided by 2th item plus 1 item divided by 2. So your n is your 8 divided by 2 plus 8 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So your 4th item plus your 5th item divided by 2. Your 4th item is 71, your 5th item is 72. So 71 plus 72 divided by 2 is 71.5 kg is your median. So in this way you calculate the median in the case of even and odd series when the series are given as individual series. I hope you like our video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.